So in this video, we're going to simplify something a little bit more complicated. So simplify 6a squared b minus 3a cubed over 2b squared minus ab. So writing that out, so factorizing the both the numerator and the denominator. So 6a squared b becomes 2 times 3 times a times b. And then minus ba 3a cubed, it becomes minus 3 a times a. Pairing up, we got common factors of 3 and an a and an a, so it's a squared. And then in the brackets we're left with 2b minus a. For the denominator, we got, factorizing that, we've got 2 times b times b minus a times b. Pairing up again, the only thing we can pair up is that b and that b. So it's going to be b, and then we've got 2b minus a. And then what we can do here is these are the same, therefore we can cancel them out. And then we're left with a final answer of a 3a squared over b. So simplifying algebraic fractions, you need to factorize first, if possible. Okay, so there's been a video to show you how to simplify algebraic fractions using factorization. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.